Hello friends, this is Cook with Appu. Today we are going to make cupcakes. So for that I have taken 2 cups of maida, that is all purpose flour, powdered sugar. I have powdered 2 cups of sugar also. Then vanilla essence, because nowadays in lockdown you are not getting chocolate or dark chocolate and the cocoa powder. So I am going to try this a very new recipe, vanilla one. Then I have taken, you can see, baking soda, baking powder. This is 1 teaspoon and this is 1/4 teaspoon, just a pinch, you can say. Now I'll take a big bowl and mix it together. Don't forget oil and water. This recipe is pure veg recipe. You can try it at home without eggs, without chocolate, without cocoa powder. So now you can have your favorite cupcakes at home. Now you can see, now I'll sieve out all the ingredients except the vanilla essence and water and oil. Now you can see I have put the all-purpose flour in this. I'll now put the sugar, but after I have sieve out a bit. Take a dry bowl because then wet will stick below. Just a reminder again, take a dry bowl, then we'll just sieve it out. After sieving all the ingredients together, I'll show you. So we have mixed all the ingredients. Now I'll put milk, which I had not shown. So we'll take milk. Almost I've taken 1 cup. Then if you want additional taste, you can put some coffee powder or Bournvita or anything for making a bit different taste. But I'm going to show pure white, or let me see. Now I'll just put the milk and 1 pinch of salt and oil. For better whipping, if you have whipping machine, you can directly whip, but I'm whipping in a mixer, so I have not added the oil and the milk yet. I'll add in the mixer itself. Mixer jar, I have put the mixture. Now I'll put the milk, oil and vanilla essence and whip it well in the mixture. Now you can see I have whipped it in the mixer itself. Almost it took me only 2 to 3 minutes. You can see it's fully smooth. The consistency I'll show you now. With the help of a spoon, you can see semi-thick. So this should be the way. Now we'll transfer into small microwave safe bowls. I'll make in the microwave. So if you don't have microwave, you can make it in your oven itself with your cupcake molds, or whatever baking method you use, you can use. So this is a very easy recipe, all should try. Now I'll transfer in bowls. You can see I've kept in my oven, microwave oven, and I've left some space in the bowl, you can see, for rising up. Now I'll keep it in normal cook mode for 4 minutes. Then I'll see and then I'll continue if needed. My first strip came out to be very well. It was cooked in 4 minutes. Then I had to cook it for 30 seconds more. Then after that, it has risen up so that it came out of the cup, some of them. So I had cleaned it and kept it for cooling. Now for second batch, I'll take care about that. Now you can see I whipped in the mixer itself. That's why it is nicely whipped. Now I'll put less than half in the bowl, because last time I put half the bowl, rised up very well. Now I'll put just almost half spoon, means half tablespoon. You can see I have left more than half of the bowl space to rise up, because last trip it has risen up very nicely. So I'll fill, and after baking or cooking I'll show you. So you can see our vanilla cupcakes is ready. It took almost 4 minutes to cook in the microwave. Now this is the one which I told you. I have added the little Bournvita and little coffee powder, half of teaspoon each. So it gives this color. That's why, because some people don't like that white color of the cakes. So this is also easily available at home. So I'll bake this also and show together. In the same dough I added some batter I added some coffee powder and Bonvita. You can use any chocolatey powder. Now this is after 4 minutes. Can see it has rised up a bit, but it's not cooked that much, so we'll keep it for another 1 to 2 minutes. You can see it has rised up very well, and I checked it with a fork also. It's cooked if something is not sticking. So this is another cake recipe from me. Can check out in my channel the suji cake recipe also. So I'll just take out both the cakes together and show you. So friends, our vanilla cupcake, you can see, is ready, and the Bonvita coffee cupcake is here ready. So you can see the color difference. One is a bit off white, the other is full brown. So this shows, because some people don't like this white color, for them I suggest this recipe. The coffee and the Bonvita you can put a bit. Then for my more cake recipe, you can see in the suji cake recipe, it was also very healthy. This is also a very good option for quick evening recipes. And then I have dusted it with powdered sugar which was left. So you can see it's cooked nicely. I have checked it with a fork also. It has rised up very nicely according to my steps. You should follow this, you should try this. If you love cupcakes, don't forget to like this channel and subscribe my channel, and do comment about this after making it and trying it, and suggest some dishes. Suggestions are always welcome. And thank you. Goodbye. Please don't forget to share this video with your cake friends, means who love cakes. So I'm just going. So for more getting my latest videos, press the bell icon. Thank you. This is Cook with Appu.